Namaste everyone. Nowadays many people are complaining about lower back pain, sciatica pain, slip disc because of sedentary lifestyle, long hours sitting in the office, or probably when we age we have these kind of problem if we don't take care of our health. So there is a very much tried and tested therapy which I tried on thousands of people. While just massaging this point for 5 minutes can take care of your lower back or sciatica pain, then where is this point? So what you need to do, you need to take your hand. In your hand, you see these two fingers here, two finger here. In the center line, this is your lower back area. So you need to take some oil. I always give the recipe of an anti-inflammatory oil where you need to take 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a glass bottle and put 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in this bottle because fenugreek has a anti-inflammatory properties. So just allow them to sit in that bottle only all the time and use this oil for your this sciatica point massage. Take some oil and massage this area for 2 to 5 minutes continuously by giving little gentle pressure on this area. After doing this massage, you need to massage on your index finger in this area, lower part of your index finger. Take some oil and give a nice gentle massage. Again, probably 2 to 3 minutes you will massage on this finger. Now the question comes, you need to massage on right hand, left hand or both the hands. Yes, if you have a sciatica pain at the left side, lower back pain, left side more, use left hand. If you have a problem at your right side, use right hand. If you have a problem in the center and you are not able to recognize it is right or left, then do both the hands. Also, if you want to get rid of this problem fast, you need to use both the hands. So after massaging on this for 2 minutes, you will shift your hand on this point which is below your nail on this area. So you will massage this also with the help of oil 1 to 2 minutes. In both the hands do this therapy. So 2 minutes on this, 2 minutes on this area, 2 minutes on this area below your nail in both the hands. And along with this, I have already posted a video with a therapeutical yoga stretches for this particular problem, lower back, sciatica or slip disc. So I'm going to give the link in the description. So try to do these yoga stretches on daily basis. Along with these acupressure points, you will see the miracle. If doctor has suggested to go for surgery, then you can try these therapy, and this is so much miraculous that I have tried on many of my students where they had lot of sciatica pain and doctor had suggested them to go for surgery, but they tried these therapies and they got healed up completely. So try to do this therapy and let me know in the comment box if you're looking for any other video on any other topic. If you're looking for any course where you can have the knowledge of all the acupressure point, why we are massaging here, why we are massaging here, and what all points are there in both the hands. So I have made a 3 days basic acupressure therapy course. By doing this course, you can understand each and every pressure point in the hand and you can be the self healer, and also you can heal others in your house and in your surroundings. So do find the link in the description of this acupressure therapy course. So that's it for now. Thank you everyone.